Hi, this is Olasho and welcome to Nigeria Digest. And in today's video, we'll be talking about how you can check the JAMB UTME 2024 results. So, good news is that the JAMB UTME results for 2024 has been released. So, for every candidate that participated in the UTME examination for 2024, you can now proceed to check your UTME results. So, this is how you can check your UTME results. So, go to your SMS using the SIM you used to register for the registration, which is the same you use to get your profile code. So just text the word UTME results and send it to 55019 or 66019. So you'll be sending it to either of the either of these two USSD codes. So you'll be making use of the one that you use when you registered for the JAMB registration. Okay, so this is a screenshot of how you will send the message. Just text UTME results. You can text it together and make sure it is in capital letter. Send it to 55019. So once you send this, you will receive a message. So the message will charge you 15 naira airtime, and make sure you are not using a borrowed airtime or a bonus airtime. Okay, so you will receive a message that your request has been received and it is being processed. So in less than 1 minute, in few seconds, you get a breakdown of what your results is. So you get your name, your JAMB registration number, then your score in each of the subject and your total score. Okay, so that is how you are going to check the results. But if you are trying to check the result and you are facing any of these error, probably you get a message that unable to charge. So probably you do not have enough airtime up to 15 naira. So the message will cost you 15 naira airtime. Then if you are using a borrowed airtime or a bonus, it will not work. So if you have a borrowed airtime on your phone, you need to clear that one before you can be able to check the results. Then if you get message that your result is under investigation, which means your result is part of those ones that they are yet to be released, which JAMB is currently investigating. So later on they will announce when the result will be out. So once that is announced, you'll be able to check your result also. Then if you are not getting any response at all, when you send the message, you are not getting a response. So that is due to the network problem. So you might want to check back later. So many students do ask that what is the alternative way to check the results apart from the SMS? This is probably for those ones that you have lost the SIM and you're unable to retrieve it, or you're not with the SIM, you're not the owner of the SIM, or you have any issue with the SIM, right? So the best alternative way to check the results is via the JAMB portal, the JAMB e-facility portal, which looks exactly like this, which is efacility.jamb.gov.ng. That is the only way you can check the UTME results. So you will have to log in with your email address and the JAMB password that JAMB sent to you when you register for the UTME examination. Okay, so that if you don't know the password, you can just click on forgot password, then you follow the prompt, then you get a new password. So please don't use your JAMB, don't use your email password in this place. It will be the JAMB password that starts with CAND. That is what the JAMB password starts with. So once you log in successfully, your dashboard will look like this, just like this. Then you click on the print result slip. You follow the prompt, then you make a payment of about 1,500 naira to check the results. So that is so this kind of result is called the original JAMB result. But as at the time of recording this video, for those that did the exam in 2024, the portal is yet to be activated. So once the portal is activated, you can always log into the portal, then print the UTME result slip. So even if you try to go to any cafe or CBT center, it is also going to be via this portal that they will use to check the result for you. But currently now, as at the time of recording this video, which is the second day on when the result was released, the portal is yet to be activated. But later on, you'll be able to check. And so if you are unable to check, you can always reach out to me. I'll help you to check that one. So then you need to be aware of any fake links that is going on the internet. So some students have been sharing this particular link that leads to this place. So this particular one is actually fake, and you'll be able to check your results. So this is not a JAMB portal. As you can see, I put fake on it. So this particular one that you are seeing right now on the screen is a fake portal. It is not the original JAMB results portal. So because if you input your details here, it will ask you to share to people on WhatsApp. So it is just a fake link, and it puts you at risk of exposing your details to scammers. Okay, so please don't put your details on any link that look like this. Okay, it is a fake portal. Okay, so this is not the original JAMB result portal. Okay, so after checking your result, what next? So to know what next after you check your results, how you can upload your results, how you can gain admission and every other things like that, make sure you click on the subscribe button of this YouTube channel. And you can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp via 081 24611 where I'll be dropping updates on my WhatsApp group. So if you message me on my WhatsApp, I will assist you with anything that has to do with checking of your results or processing your admission. I will guide you through on how you can, every step by step that will lead you to your admission. So to get all these updates, make sure you follow. Make sure you click on the subscribe button of this YouTube channel. Follow. Then reach out to me on my WhatsApp number. Then we can always talk about how you can process your admission. Thank you very much, and do make sure you share this video to any aspirant, any candidates that is looking for how to check the UTME results. Thank you.